What happened in November? We have just wrapped up the second last month of the year and the property market has continued to shift in favor of the buyers. If you've been holding off making a move, now could be the perfect time to take advantage of the current conditions. Here is what we are seeing in the market right now. Properties are being opened for inspections 4 times more often just to meet the same number of buyers. This reflects a noticeable drop in buyers' urgency and competition. Auction clearance rate across Sydney are sitting at 40 to 50%, which is well below what we have seen during peak market conditions. For buyers, this is an exciting opportunity, especially if you are an upgrader, first-time buyer or investor. The current market conditions are working in your favor. There are more properties available to choose from. There is less competition amongst buyers, giving you more leverage in negotiations. Sellers are increasingly flexible with pricing and terms, making it easier to secure a deal. Importantly, we are approaching a potential rate drop, which historically signals the bottom of the market. Buying now means you could lock in a great deal before prices begin to climb again. As we move into December, it's worth noting that the new property listings tend to slow down during this period. If you want to secure your new home and know where you'll be living in 2025 before Christmas, it's essential to act quickly while current listings are still available. For sellers, the clock is ticking. December offers a finite window to sell your property before the festive season and the rush of new listings that typically flood into the market in the new year. Selling now allows you to beat the competition and capitalize on the buyers still actively searching before the holiday period. Looking ahead to 2025, the real estate market is shaping up to be an interesting one. A potential rate reduction in February could prompt many sellers who have been waiting on the sideline to list their properties, increase in supply and potentially creating more competition for sellers. The second quarter, especially April, could see some more market instability with the federal election potentially creating uncertainty amongst buyers and sellers alike. What happened in our core suburbs? November for Team Nayak, we listed 16 properties and sold 18, achieving a total transaction over $18 million. We had an auction clearance rate of 54%. Throughout the month, we engaged with 604 buyers across 184 open homes. Our standout properties were 1 Owen Street and 14 Awara Street in Wentworthville. These 2 properties, both are duplexes. 1 Owen Street, a 4-bedroom duplex that got sold for $1,425,000, which were $175,000 over the vendor's reserve, which was on the market for 24 days. During this campaign, we met 69 buyers and 21 of them requested the contracts. 14 Awara Street is a 5-bedroom duplex with a 2-bedroom granny flat that got sold for a new suburb record of $1,850,000, which was $150,000 over the vendor's reserve. It was on the market for 29 days and we met 55 buyers and sent 11 contracts. If you're looking at making a move in the first half of 2025 and want a plan and strategy to navigate all the potential disruptions, we have one for you. Reach out to Team Nayak today.